Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in and opening the account menu. This gives you access to activity controls. Once done, tap your profile icon or the More button on Web to reveal settings and privacy. You need this panel because Twitter centralizes history and data controls here. Make sure to stay on the account that holds the history you want. If you're using multiple accounts, switch now so you don't pull the wrong timeline or archive. From Settings and Privacy, choose your account and then Data and Permissions. This directs you to the options that contain your activity. Once there, select Download an archive of your data to request a full history, or use Timeline and Content Preferences to view in-app activity immediately. You do this because the archive gives a complete, exportable record, while filters let you find tweets faster. Make sure your email and password are correct to request an archive without delay. When you request the archive, Twitter emails a download link once processing finishes. You must wait until that message arrives. After downloading the zip, extract files and open tweets. CSV or use the browser view for readable HTML. This lets you search timestamps, mentions, and retweets. If you need a quick check, use in-app history features, but the archive is best for complete records. If nothing arrives, check spam, verify your email, and re-request. That usually resolves common delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.